Hello coders, welcome to my channel Radhe Radhe. Today we are going to discuss the another topic from the DSA is the sliding window. In the past playlist we learned about the two pointer. Now in from this lecture I'll taught you the sliding window and sliding window is just similar like two pointer no but there are little bit of difference in it. So before going deep about what is sliding window, what let's understand the definition of the sliding window. Like you can see that on the screen, sliding window technique is a method used to efficiently solve the problem that involved defining a window or a range in the input data and then moving that windows across the data, perform some operation within the window. So this is the sliding window. So now um, let's see the real meaning. What is sliding window? Like we have given an array of any size. So sliding window it means like sliding the window. Like we are sliding. We use the sliding window in our home and so similar like that we will slide the window. What it means like we will define some range in the array and we will check if there is some particular condition satisfying or not. If not, then we will slide this range to upper range. Like what I means, like this is the range I'll define. Now I will find the answer in this range. Okay. If I'll not get, what I will do, I will just move this one here. The window will come here. A window will come here and this will be increased. The ending part also increase from the previous one. So this means the sliding the window, like we are sliding here to here. Now in the next case the window will slide to here, the first point will come here and the last point will be come here. So means the sliding the window. And means like again I explain you, like this is the particular length that we have defined. We will find the answer in this particular range according to our question. If fine, then well and good. If not, what we will do, we will just change the range. The range will be same, but area will be changed. Like here, this is the area for first case. Now another case we will move, and this will become the area. In same way, this will become the another area, and so on. So this means the sliding window. And sliding window are of two types. Sliding window is having same size variable, like same size means fixed size. We have fixed size as given in our question, or another will be variable size sliding window. uh, but before study about the variable side, we will start studying with this fixed size sliding window to grab the concept well. And after that we will start variable size sliding window. Now what is fixed size sliding window? Like uh, in case you have given an array, let's consider you have given an array, you have to find the sum of the array in of array of length 2. So now we have given length 2, it means k equals to 2. This is the length this is the length we have given in the question, and this is the fixed length. Like to calculate the answer, we will not increase the length, not decrease the length of the particular subarray. We have given the length 2, so subarray is length 2, it means it's fixed. Like we have given 1, let's consider we have given the array 1 2 3 4. Now what we will do, we will check the length is given 2, it means fixed length, so we will check this 2 is good and then we will check this two, we will check this two, and we will find the max sum of the in from this subarrays. Now I think you understand what is the meaning of the fixed size sliding window. In the variable size sliding window, we don't given the particular k value, like what is the length, what will be the length of the particular subarray. We have given some condition. According to this we will solve the answer, and so no, not discuss about more about this topic. We will discuss it later in the upcoming lectures. Now, so yeah, so I think you understand what is the meaning of the sliding window and the fixed side sliding window. So yeah, we know that to grab more concept, to know about the any topic deeply, we have to solve the questions. So I took two questions from the two different platform. One is from GFG and another is from Lead Code. Both are of easy or medium level. So yeah, so let's see the first question. First question is simple. Make some subarray of size k. What is mean? Like, let's read the question. Given an array of integer ARR of size n and a number k, return the maximum sum of the subarray of size k. Now, if anybody don't know what is subarray, subarray is a continuous part in array. It is not whole array. It is the small part of the subarray, small part of the array which is continuous, not like not it means subarray is not like that, that we have given array 1 2 anything it is given 3, we will take one from here, one 3 from here. This is not subarray. Subarray means the continuous and continuous part of the array. This we will say subarray, this will we say subarray. Okay, so yeah. So now let's see the question. Let's see the example. We have given n equals to 4, the size of the array. We have given k. We have given k. So we can see that we have given the size equals to 2. It means that it's a fixed length subarray problem, fixed length sliding window problem. So we will check these two subarray, these two subarray, and check whose means the maximum sub in bit in all of the subarrays. So here we can see the 700 is the maximum sum. Same way we have given length of size 4. So we will check the sum the all the four length, four elements of any particular array, particular subarray, and check 1000 is the maximum one we are getting here. So we are returning 1000 as an answer. So now, one question arises that when we will use sliding window. Like in most of the cases, then if there's something related to finding the question in sub-arrays, means what I means to say that if we have given to find something in any sub-arrays, so most of the cases, in most of the sub-arrays question, we use the sliding window problem. So if you get any sub-arrays question, first try to attempt with sliding window. If it work, then well and good. Otherwise, you have to see the another approach. Okay. So now, so what will be the intuition behind to solve the question? What we will do, we will check, what I mean to say, we have given array. Um, so yeah, we have given array 100, 200, 300, and 400. 100, 200, 3, 300, 400. Okay. Now we have given k equals to 2. Okay. So what we will do, we will just check. We will just take two pointers. We will check I and j two. Some same just like a 2 point. As I said in this initial that sliding window is some like 2 pointer. Okay. So we'll take 2 pointer here. We will put I and j not here. I will be in the first and j will be in the second. In sliding window, we do not do like that. We will put I and j in the same in the initial time in the same element, pointing to the same element. Now, what we will do, we will create a sum variable because we need a sum, maximum sum. We will check a one sum. which store the current sum, and we will have a maxi or maxsum to store the maximum of all the subarrays of length k, like to here. Now sum is first we will check. We will sum equals to num j. Num j is 100 here. Now, more thing I would like to tell you that we will move the j pointer only, not I pointer. I will always be the initial indexing pointer of the initial index of the subarray, and j will be the last or ending index of that subarray. Okay, so yeah, so we have 100 now. After that, we will check if j minus I plus 1, like I think you know how to find the array, how to find the length if ij is given. So we find the length using this formula, j minus I minus plus 1. So we will check if it is smaller than k. Yeah, good. It means we can take more number of elements because we have given k equals to 2. We will stop when we will reach the k equals to 2. Okay. Here we have smaller than k, so again we will add, and we will add 200 and it will become 300. Okay. 300 it will become, and check, and after that we will check it is smaller than k. No, we will check it is equals to k. Yes, it is. So we will store this number in 300. We will store the number in a max survivor, and after that what we will do, we will slide the window, like we have what means we are here now. 100 is given, 200, 300, 400. Now what I'll do, I have here j is here. Okay, because it exceed the condition, like smaller than equals to k wala. Okay, so we will check if j minus I plus 1 is greater than k. If yes, or we will check this condition for in equals to if condition as well, because after that we will increase j, we will in I j minus I plus 1 equals to k. When we will increase j, so it will obviously point here, and it exceed the length. Okay, so what we will just delete the element from the sum, because in the initial time we have summed that element. Now we have summed the 100. So what we will do, before moving I pointer here, we will decrease this 100, so that we don't need to calculate the sum again. If we are if we are summing the number again, it will increase the time, because we are doing the same thing again and again, and it will obviously increase our time. So what we will do, we will do the clever thing. What I will say, we will just remove this element which we have already calculated. We will remove this element from the sum, and we will simply, because there is no need for 100 right now. Now we will simply move the I pointer. Now what? Now, if first time we have this is our sliding window. Now this is our sliding window, and this is our exceeding condition. Now when the exceeding condition come, we have already calculated the previous answer. So we will just move the previous pointer to previous pointer in the forward direction, and the pointer will be here. So now in the first we have this, now we have this. Okay, so this is the simple way to move, how we were moving the I. Usually if you solve any question like how to move I and j, you will be able to understand. You not feel any difficulty to solve. So this is the simpler way to how to solve the maximum sub array sum using sliding rule. Now, now we start seeing what the code, how we like the code. Now what we will do, we will check that we can see that here data type is long and long. So we will make the long maximum. This is maximum means same maximum. Sum equals to 0, which is store the current sum, and we will check two pointer I and j. Now we'll check if j is smaller than n. Why I'll check j? Because we can see j is moving forward. J is moving forward before than I. I is for first for indicating the first element. J is for the last element now. So we will check j. If j is smaller than n, yes, then we will run the loop because we have the access of the memory. We have we have in a safe region. That's why. So now while smaller than n, we will sum. We will sum equals sum plus area of j. Now we'll check. Can we add more? What means? Can we add more? Like we have given k, we can add, we can make more sub arrays because if we have length 1, we have k equals to 2. So yeah, we can make one more we can add one more element in the array. And yeah, we have. So that's why we're checking if j my smaller than k. Wow, nice. We will move the j pointer. Okay, and we will move the j pointer. J will be here and it will not go in the else condition. Again the sum will be sum plus area of j. So it will add to in the sum variable. If not, so now if we do not get, if the number is if we exceed, or if we get the length of the survey equals to check k. So what we will do, we will simply, because we have given that to find the maximum. So we will be checking the max of the previous and the current sum, and after that, to move the slide window, we will minus that particular index from the first position, and we will move the I, and we will move the j, and simply we will return the maximum. Now this is the simple code how to write the question, how to solve this question using the sliding window. Now if we see that it runs all the code or not, hope or it will run the code, all pass that all test cases. So yeah, you can see that it passed all the test case. Okay, so this isn't this so you can, this is the correct code means. Now if we talk about the time complexity, like you can see that we are using one while loop here only, and there's no extra space. So we all know that for one while loop, how many, for one one while for one for or while loop, anything it is, we have O of n as a time complexity, and we are not using any space, so we have O of 1. So it is a brute force, it is a efficient solution, it's not a brute force. So it is one of the good way to solve that question, this question. Okay, now now uh, now I can give a particular syntax how to write the sliding window, how to solve any question of sliding window. Like we have a particular syntax or a structure, you can say. We generally use that structure. The calculation might be different as according to our question. If you have logically good, you can solve that. But yeah, so let's see the structure. What the simple structure? What the simple structure is that we will always define I and j. Okay, I and j is from the 0. Okay, and after that we will do some calculation here. We will go inside the while loop. We will do any calculation we will do, like in this case we are doing sum equals sum plus 1. After that we will use if condition to check the length. This is the length I minus j plus 1 is smaller than k. What we will do, we will need more element, we will simply do j plus plus. Okay, now else condition are here we not use two else, we use only one else because there's no need. But in generally what we'll do, we will use two else condition. First else is for if equals to k, and another else is for to check the if the length exceed or not. If yes, so this is the two condition. In else we will check for equals to k. Okay, and we will do some calculation also here, calculation. Like you can see we have do maximum, finding maximum, and all that. And in else condition, I said here we haven't used, but in general we use that. In else condition, if greater than k, what we will do, we will use a one while loop we will use. And we will do my we are subtracting like what I said, we are we are subtracting this from the starting point until we will not get length equals to k. So we will just use the while loop, and we will do subtraction of array I and I plus plus. Simple. So this is the simple way or a structure you can use. The calculation might be different according to the question, but if you know the structure, you can solve any question of that topic. So this is a simple question. Now, if again, now after that, we will see the next question. What the next question is? The next question is from this lead code. Okay. So yeah, in the question, what's the question saying? We have given a string block of length n. Block I only contain W and B. W represent white and B represent black. And we have given integer k. We have to find the we have to find the number of consecutive black of size k. And what means what the question is that we have given string. Okay. We have given an integer k of length anything. We have to find a consecutive subarray such that all the elements in that array would be black. Okay, all the consecutive element would be black. Now we have to find the minimum number of time we can recolor the white to black. Like to get a consecutive k number of black color, we need to check the number of minimum number that used to recolor the white to black. Okay, what it means, I said what it means that we have given W, B, let's consider W. Now we have given B equals to 3. We have given k equals to 3. So it means we have to find the k length k element in this string, and all the elements should consecutively will be black. So we can do one operation, like we will change white to black. Now minimum number operation to get k length k 3 consecutive black while changing the color of white. Like you can see here we have BB2, only one all required. We will make this white to black, or we can make this two. Now we will make this white to black. Now there is only one, and you can do here that it is also given one. So minimum is one. Okay. So this is a simple question it's saying. Now what the approach we will use? Simply what we will do, we will what we will do, we'll fix a window like W B B W W we have given. Now we will just fix the length here to here. We will check the number of black. We will check the number of black in that range, and what we will do, we will simply given we have given length k. We will simply k minus c. We will check k minus c because k is the length 7 and c is the number of black ball. Okay, number of black. Now number of black ball. Now it gives us the number of how many numbers of white ball is present in that range. Now that is the number of white ball present in the nest. So we will convert that white ball to black to get the consecutive black element, consecutive black color. And we will find the minimum because we need minimum number of white ball to convert to is black. Simple, quite simple now. So simply we will we will take I and j and c to count the number of blocks, and we'll check the maximum. We'll declare int to int max to get the minimum number. Okay. Now we will check j equals smaller than block dot length, and we will check that if it's smaller than k, it means we have a more space to add the element. So we will do j plus plus, but before that we will check if b of j is equals to k b because b we have to count b also, na. So we will check if equals to B. We will we will keep increasing the c. And else condition, if we get if yes we get k, so we will check if b equals to b. If we check b, block j is b, particularly b, so we will increase c. And simply we will take the minimum of answer, current or the previous one. Current is this and previous we stored in the answer array, answer variable. K minus c, like total length minus number of black ball on that range will give the white ball to convert, and we will give its minimum. And now we know that if we reach the condition, we will start deleting the elements from the initial, from the starting position. So we will simply check if b of I, the first the I that the element that I is pointing is if b, so we will decrease c, and we will move I, and we will move j. It means we were sliding the window in this range, and we will simply return answer. Yeah, simple. If we run the code, it will pass all the test cases. You can see it's passed all the test cases. Now we'll talk about the time complexity. Simple. O of n, while loop is used, and space complexity. We have given nothing. We have not taken anything. So time will be O of n, space will be O of 1. Simple. So yeah, this is the two questions that we have to solve in today's lecture. You may feel uh, you may feel strong while learning more questions in this topic, and we will get grab the knowledge of sliding window very soon. I will provide seven to approx seven lectures of sliding window. It will include both the first variable side and the fixed side sliding window also. Or yeah, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.